Okay, this is how the problem works. I know it looks like a lot, but it's actually pretty simple. So these are supposed to be chemicals, and they're going to come in some certain concentration. And then here is the rate of the reaction at different concentrations. And the way we write this out is we'll say that um, the rate of the reaction is equal to some constant K, none of this matters really, times the concentration of chemical A raised to, oops, the brackets mean concentration. So the concentration of chemical A raised to some number, we call that the order, times the concentration of chemical B raised to its order, times the concentration of chemical C raised to its order. Those are all just variables. And so the way that we can figure this out, like let's look at A. So the order with respect to A, if we want to find the order with respect to A, we look at this data here and we find two different experiments where A changes, but B and C stay the same, so we can isolate A. So like the first and second questions here, these stay the same, so we can use this one to find the order of A. So from here to here, A doubles. The concentration of A doubles. And from here to here, the rate doubles. So if it's the same, that means that M, the order of A, is equal to 1, right? Whereas, let's look at B. So let's find two where B changes, but the others stay the same. So, okay. So if we go from 1, like we look at 1 and 3, these two stay the same. So we can use that. So here, when B doubles, the rate quadruples. So N would be equal to 2. And then let's look at C. This last one, these last two, I'm sorry. When C doubles and these stay the same, nothing happens to the rate. So that means our, what is that, theta, is equal to 0, right? Because this has no effect on the rate. And so that's how we figure out order. And my question is, if you had really advanced students, how would you teach that to them? Because I find myself not getting this across very well every single year. And I'm trying to figure a way where everybody could work through it and understand. We could memorize. That's an option, but I'm not a big fan of that. So if you have anything, let me know. Thanks.